Is it possible to import pre-packed rice in kilo packs from a reputed supplier? This user, Mary Pillai, I am hoping and assuming that this person is from another country, so this is from an import perspective into that particular country. Yes, pre-packed rice in kilo packs, obviously it is very much possible. 25 kg packing, 50 kg packing, 18 kg, 20 kg for the Gulf countries. This has been happening from quite a long time, right? But even pack sizes like 5 kgs, 1 kgs, 2 kgs, even these small packs are also very much possible. Only trick here is the more expensive the rice is, the better quality of rice it is. It becomes much easier for doing small rice of packing, like Sona Masuri and then upwards to Basmati. This is very predominant all over India. Only for say rice like white rice, which is a low value product, normally it is 25 kgs and above, 18 kgs and above, but the small retail packs is a little bit difficult, but very much possible.